Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NERV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice move here today. Sure, the price pulled back here a little bit, but when you compare where it closed, right there to compare to where it was yesterday, I think everybody would agree, yeah, it was a good overall day. So let's first start talking about some levels of support, then we can talk resistance. The ideal level of support, meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? In my mind, that's if 985 can continue to hold. I use the word continue because you can see throughout the course of the day right there, the bears tried on numerous occasions to push down through that level, and the bulls did a fantastic job of holding strong there. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 985, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can continue to hold above there, that would certainly make the chart look very, very powerful. Next level of support after that, called down there at this point, which sits at $9.15. So 985, 915, two kind of nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back though and looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving, so as time goes by, this line is going to move upwards and look something like that. And from a very simplistic way to look at the chart, simply put, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, however you can best visualize that. No questions asked. So keep an eye on that moving average. That'll tell us, tell you, who's in charge of the overall trend. And so far, bulls, you definitely got to give them the advantage. Now, what about levels of resistance? In many situations, as is the case here, you have kind of the fun level of resistance, and then you have that first bridge that needs to be crossed. So the fun level is just right up here at the $11.15 mark. I call it fun because, yeah, it is very fun to talk about testing previous highs, breaking new highs, all that good stuff. There's no doubt about it. But like I said, in many situations, usually there's an initial bridge that first needs to be crossed before you start talking about that fun level. And in my opinion here, it's $10.60. So yeah, 11.15 is a level of resistance, but before you start talking about that one, bulls first got to get through that $10.60 mark. All in all, though, very nice day today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.